Coral stitch is an elegant decorative stitch which looks more complicated than it really is. If you mount your fabric in a hoop to do coral stitch, it will be more tricky to work, but not impossible. I find it easier to stitch without using a hoop. If the fabric has some slack, I can gather it and then position the needle more precisely to form the knots. Bring your needle up and measure a stitch length along. Catch the fabric with the needle on either side of the outline. Now take the thread from the point where you first came up and wrap it over and around the needle. Pull the thread through gently to form the first knot. Continue in the same way, measuring another stitch length along and catching the fabric on either side of the outline. Bring the thread over and around the needle. Pull the thread gently through to create the knot. Take the needle back into the fabric when the final knot is complete, so you can secure it on the reverse. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. My next stitch tutorial will be woven circles. I should have a blog post and a video out before then about how to get started with embroidery, so keep an eye out for that. In the meantime, you can check out my stitch library here. Bye for now.